This is a Wi-Fi enabled smart switch that fits into Roma, Anker's brand, modular switch plates or Roma design compatible switch plates. It takes space of two ordinary switches and provides two outputs, so combining capability of two smart switches / plugs into one, whereas each output can be controlled and programmed / scheduled independently. It works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Alexa and Google Assistant also recognizes each output independently. 1-year warranty. You can control anytime from anywhere using Smarteefi App, Android / iOS. It also has manual override switch that allows you to control your appliance manually. It also allows you to lock / unlock manual control. Each output restores its last state after power cut / power resume. Weekly and daily scheduling facility allows you to save energy bills by automating on / off conditions at specified time. Its scheduling facility is designed for Indian scenarios. After power cut and power resume, it executes any missed schedule during power cut, once it is connected to internet after power resume. 4. You can connect smart switch to existing socket, making it a smart socket. Apart from scheduling facility, it also provides countdown timer. Instead of selected scheduled time, suppose you want to charge your mobile phone anytime with specified time duration, say 1 hour, you can start countdown timer for 1 hour on the smart socket connected with the switch. It will switch off charging after 1 hour. You can avoid overcharging and increase battery life of your phone / laptop, etc.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.